To draw the ice cream, we'll begin by drawing a circle, not a complete circle, but partial circle. So as you can see, we have drawn a circle. Next, draw a C shape, and then using English alphabet U will form the design. Once you finish this, mark a point below and join these two lines. Next, we draw cross lines. Similarly on the other side. These are cross parallel lines which will form the cone. So once after finishing this, we'll add few toppings with circles on the top of the ice cream. And with this done, we'll add cherry with the help of the circle, and with this we have finished the ice cream. We'll start coloring using yellow, pineapple flavored ice cream. And next, using orange, we'll color the cone. Once we finish coloring the cone, we'll add the cherry. And finally, the toppings.